Assalamu alaikum students. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to online classes, the educators. I'm your English teacher Rafi Adnan. Today we will study grammar skills, unit 21, direct and indirect speech. That includes your pages 121 and 122. Exercise D1 and D2. Today you also have a paragraph writing in your lecture. Exercise D1. This is on your page number 121. Before this exercise, you have a grammar help, a table on your book, which I have already discussed with all of you in the online classes. We have discussed it in a very detailed manner. So this exercise is being solved here for you. You have to write it as it is on your books. I'm reading sentence number 1 and 2 for your convenience. This exercise says change these sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Keeping in mind all the rules that we discussed in online class, we will change it. First sentence says, I don't need any help, said Mary. Said Mary is the saying word. It will come in the beginning, and when it will come in the beginning, our noun, our name will become the starting of our sentence. So we will not write said Mary. We will write Mary said that. This I have written that. I have removed the comma of reported speech and I have used the word that. Mary said that. Now the reported speech says I don't need any help. I will be changed into your pronoun third person she because your subject is Mary. Mary said that she. Now don't need any help will be changed into past as our saying verb is in past tense. She didn't need any help. Sentence 2. Joe asked, why is the door locked? Joe asked is your saying verb and it is in the past tense. So our reported speech, when we will change it into indirect speech, will also be in the past tense. So we will change it in the form Joe asked. Now we don't need to write that here because there is a question. Joe asked why the door was locked. Okay. So likewise, all the exercise has been done for you. Do it accordingly on your books. On your page number 122, there is exercise D2. It says change these sentences from indirect speech to direct speech. Put the saying verb at the end of the new sentence. Now there is a compulsion that the saying verb should be at the end of your sentence. Okay. Otherwise we can write anywhere when we are writing direct sentence. But if they are saying that you need to write at the end, you will always write it at the end. Understand? If you have any compulsion, you need to follow it in the question. First sentence says, I complained that my soup was cold. This is an indirect speech. So we have to change it into direct speech. I complained will be our saying word and that will be removed and we will use a comma at this place. My soup was cold. It will be changed into present. My soup is cold. So we will change it likewise. Quotation mark. My soup is cold, comma, quotation mark closed. I complained. Second sentence is Alan admitted that he had caused the accident. I caused the accident, admitted Alan. Likewise, all the sentences have been done for you. Do it accordingly on your book. Okay students, there is a paragraph writing for you in this lecture and the title is A Dream That Changed Me Forever. Okay, so write it down on your notebooks and learn it by heart. Now we have homework. Your exercise of grammar skills unit 21 D1 D2. You need to write it on your grammar skills accordingly. You need to learn and write your paragraph writing A Dream That Changed Me Forever. Okay, you will write it on your notebooks and learn it. Okay ji, good luck. Allah Hafiz.